Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Maytag Jenn-Air Range Cooktop Electric Radiant Cartridge White Part #A122WA. The Whirlpool Maytag Jenn-Air Range Cooktop Electric Radiant Cartridge White Part #A122WA is a replacement part for electric cooktops. It is designed to provide even heat distribution and efficient cooking performance. This cartridge features a durable white porcelain finish that is easy to clean and maintain. The cartridge also includes an adjustable temperature control knob, allowing you to easily adjust the heat level of your cooktop. This part is compatible with select Whirlpool, Maytag, and Jenn-Air electric cooktops. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning electric radiant cartridge in a Whirlpool, Maytag, or Jenn-Air range cooktop. It can fix symptoms such as an element not heating up properly, an element not turning on, or an element not responding to temperature adjustments. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the range at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing radiant cartridge by unscrewing the 2 screws that hold it in place. 3. Carefully remove any debris or dirt from the area where the new radiant cartridge will be installed. 4. Place the new radiant cartridge into position and secure it with the 2 screws provided. 5. Turn on the power to the range at the circuit breaker and test for proper operation of your new radiant cartridge. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.